Okay, now a lot of people, now you asked me to sing, then you asked me to rap, which I haven't yet, and now people are requesting that I do the dance from Thagle. It's good. Thagle is released about 3 days back. The response has been absolutely superb. People are loving the song. It's a very, very catchy number. And the choreography is being done by Shruti Merchant. It's her debut as a choreographer, so the people have been really, really appreciating the dance moves that are there in Thagle, and all credit to Shruti ma'am for firstly choreographing it and then pushing me and Anushka to a level that at least I haven't been to before. Neither Dum Dum nor Emi, my two dance numbers had such an involved choreo routine, and she's really raised the bar for me and pushed me to another level, and I really, really appreciate that. So yeah, I think it's time to do Thagle. Kudiyan Thagle, Thagle, Kudiyan Thagle, Thagle, Kudiyan Thagle, 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 Thagle. If I had to do a remake, somebody asked me, would you rather remake Hum Aapke Hain Kaun or DDLJ with Anushka? I think DDLJ. There's probably no a love story in our cinema that's so iconic. It's still running in theaters. Did you know that? Longest running film in the history of Indian cinema. It's an iconic film, you know. Honestly, in my opinion, it should not even be remade. Classic like that should just not be remade, but given a choice, DDLJ. Rambo. Oh, somebody knows my nickname. Wow, how did you know that? Say something in Sindhi, please. Okay, I don't know Sindhi, but very recently I learned something in Sindhi. मुंहिंजे सिंधी भावर और हुननि जी सिंधी भेनर. What was it? मां सिंधी आ तो obviously smart, so I forgot it, but I learned some lines in Sindhi because I really don't know how to speak it. I understand it though. When people speak Sindhi, I understand everything that they're saying clearly, but I can't speak it. I had learned some lines, now I've forgotten them. That was a very lame attempt at trying to remember also. How can I read so fast? Right now my brain is working at hyper speed, and it's all thanks to this most wonderful coffee. I love your pictures with Sonakshi, so sweet on the motorcycle. Thank you so much. That's a very, very interesting film set in 1950s in Bengal. I'm really looking forward to working on it. बैठ के कोई डांस करता है क्या? यार बात तो आपकी सही है, बैठकर भी डांस कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत से लोग बैठकर भी डांस करते हैं, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता कि मैंने एक्चुअली नीचे कुछ पहना है नहीं, तो अगर मैं उठूंगा तो अनर्थ हो जाएगा. Hey, what's your workout schedule? यार, I'm actually required to lose muscle mass and weight for my last film, so I'm trying to really lose this muscle that I've worked so hard to get. Now I have to lose it all. So yeah, I'm not too happy about it. I like having muscles, but I'm more excited to play this next character, so I'll happily do it for the character, happily. Do I love Shah Rukh Khan? Yeah, I love Shah Rukh Khan. Hello, Rambo. Hi, how do you know my nickname? Where is Anushka Sharma? Anushka Sharma is right here. Here's Anushka Sharma. Let's ask Anushka Sharma a question. Anushka Sharma, everybody's asking, where are you? I am right here looking very hot. Okay. Wave your hand. Hey, from Georgia. Wow, that's amazing. Where in Georgia? ATL. When am I coming to Dubai? I am coming to Dubai for the world premiere of Ladies vs. Ricky Bell on the 8th of December at the Dubai Film Festival, and I am looking forward to my first premiere in a foreign country, my first premiere, period. We didn't have a premiere for Band Baja, it was a very small release. This time, all action, all ready, going to Dubai, world premiere. Dubai, it's so exciting for me to go to Dubai. My family goes there all the time. My sister's gone multiple times, my mother's gone multiple times, my dad's gone multiple times. I'm the only one who hasn't gone. I actually went to Dubai, but at that time my mother was pregnant, she was traveling and I was traveling with her in her tummy. So technically I have never been to, technically I have, but as a full grown adult or as anything else, I haven't been to Dubai. It's the most interesting place from all the things that I've heard. And I have so many friends. I went to college in America and I made so many friends there who were from Dubai. Jagira, Dilip, Deepak, Sumir, Gibran, all my friends are over there. So I'm dying to go to Dubai and explore the place. I've heard only the most wonderful things about its opulence and its infrastructure and all the fun things that there are to do over there, and the magnificent architecture. And the things, the wonderful things there are for tourists to do in Dubai. So I'm very excited that in such a wonderful place and in a place that really appreciates Indian cinema so much, that Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, my second film, is premiering in Dubai on 8th December. I'm very excited to come over there. Somebody's telling me to go to hell. Well, that's not nice. Do I know Bhupati Pays? Yes, I have actually met both of them, Mr. Mahesh Bhupati and Mr. Leander Pays. I've met them socially. I've had some professional interactions with Mr. Mahesh Bhupati because he is in this line of work, talent management. Other than being a sportsman, he's a most amazing guy that he can be a world champion in a sport, yet at the same time have a business that is so rollicking. It's really commendable. I think he's an amazing guy, a real gentleman, very warm, and yeah, they are both most charming men. I have to say, I admire them a lot, and I admire what they've done for tennis in India. Am I single? Yes. When will I have a new haircut? On Monday. Please come to Australia. Man, I'm dying to go to Australia. Kajol or Kareena? Oof, that's a really tough one. But I think Kareena has the edge because I have a soft spot for her and her talent. Why have the questions stopped? Rome, Europe. Cola Very D. Yeah, I heard it. It was funny. Yeah, actually I've done a romantic comedy. Now I've done a romantic comedy / con film. Now I really, and my next film is like this classic epic love story. So yes, I do want to step out of this genre now. I want to do action oriented roles. I want to do thrillers and dramas and biopics, you know. So let's hope that after Lutera I get offered films that are in that space. Biscuit. Do I like Ranbir Kapoor? Yes, I like him a lot. He's a great guy in person and he's a most wonderful talent, and a talent who inspires me, at least as his contemporary, to do better work, because he's doing such amazing work and really setting the benchmark. It's good for all young actors to see one of them doing such amazing work. It really inspires you to do better work yourself. Hi Letta. When am I coming to Switzerland? I don't know. You know what? Yashji is making a film. I'm not in it, so I don't get to go to Switzerland and eat the wonderful strawberries and cream that I've heard so much about. I have only seen Switzerland in pictures, and let me tell you what it looks like on a computer screen. It looks like heaven on earth. I am dying to go to Switzerland. One of my good friends has gone to Switzerland very recently, and she's a keen photographer, and she's taken some pictures, and they got me so excited that ever since I've just been dying to go to Switzerland. I would love to come there very very soon. जल्द ही जल्द मैं शेंगेन का वीज़ा निकाल के आने वाला हूँ स्विट्जरलैंड, और मैं साड़ी पहन के यशराज के ट्यून्स बैकग्राउंड में प्ले करके स्विट्जरलैंड के खेतों में झाड़ियों के बीच में मैं आहा हा 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 करूंगा. Can I do the rap from Aadat Se Majboor? Sure, that's what I do. Okay. Ricky Bell, baby, and he's smooth as silk. Before you can blink, this cat drinks the milk, looting hearts in different area codes. You never see him come and keep switching his modes. Come meet Lee Young, keeps changing his color. Con man, baby, he ain't your lover. Cons karne ki hai khujli, chakma dekh ke he's out of there quickly. Dhoka kha gayi India ki har bandi. I do it for a living, call me Pakhandi. Sirf cash or ash, main na janu mandi. Main hu munda bada changa lekin niyat gandi. Thank you. Yeah, what do you think? That better than Kolaveri D? Yeah, you know, actually there's a part that I wrote as a part of this rap, but it never made the final cut because it was too long or whatever. We had some issues, we couldn't fit it in there. Tall, dark, handsome, charming, funny, kabhi Dev Iqbal to kabhi Sunny. Sorry girlfriend, tu to bunny, dummy, tu pissly, but I was only after your money.